Hey, it's Shovelheadffej outside of the Shovelhead shed. Yes, I do play the banjo. I pick at it, and I do play the guitar and a couple other little instruments, but no, that wasn't me playing any of that music at all. That's somebody else's music. Anyway, this will be the last video on this bike. A couple people contacted me, as well as somebody else said, hey, you know, some people don't get their checks, disability or retirement and stuff like that till the first of the month. So Tuesday, which is December 2nd, at about noontime, I'm 100% without a shadow of doubt, I'm drawing the name. So the next video you see, which will be next week, not this Wednesday, which is tomorrow, it'll be the Wednesday after next, I'll be definitely pulling the name on this bike here, a 1980 FXEF. It's a great bike. I've said it 8 million times. God, I hate to get rid of this bike because I really love this bike, but it is what it is. Listen, man, me and Miss Dee are we are. Of course, anybody that's rich will always say, oh, I ain't rich. We're like everybody else. We're probably poorer than most of you guys that are watching these videos. I'm just a regular guy. I just had a regular job. There's a Black Hawk helicopter. Man, they're always after me. Anyway, as I'm getting distracted by this helicopter, I've given away 2 bikes this year. This will be the second bike that I've given away this year so far. We're not sponsored by any shop. We're not sponsored by any Harley-Davidson. We're not sponsored by nobody. We have no corporate sponsor. We're sponsored by you guys. If you know or you don't know, if you watch my videos, my dream is to spend the rest of my years taking these bikes, finding them, rebuilding them, bringing them back to a working condition. These are not museum quality motorcycles. These are not professionally restored. They are a running bike, a dependable bike, and I just want to get them, spend the rest of my years in my shop, and then pass it on to you guys. You guys are the ones that are buying these bikes. I can't afford them. I've given away 2 bikes now. And I'll continue to do this as long as I'm still alive, as long as I still have breath in my lungs, and as long as there's YouTube and stuff like that. The motorcycle community has given me so much, and has given me so much enjoyment. I don't listen to all the this company is woke and blah 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 blah. One of my goals is to never ever take a sponsor. I can show you in my spam file, I don't know how many, just tons and tons of, hey, we want to work with you, hey, we want to, here, you know, here's a free product, can you give us a shout out and stuff like that. I just don't do that. I want to be self-supportive, and I don't want, I hate the fact that we have the AdSense, you know, you got to have the commercials and all that other stuff. YouTube's going to run them. Whether I want them or not. So it's their playground, and I just got to play in it. So anyway, it's you guys that are supporting this channel. It's you guys that are buying these bikes, because I am taking zero profit. Miss Dee Dee works for free. I work for free. And it's just a labor of love for us. I have a very supportive wife, and I'm very, very thankful for her. Anyway, you know, we still got tickets left. We got plenty of tickets. I'm ending this very, very short. We're going to move on to the next bike. I already have the next one. I think I already have the next one. So probably at the first of the year, we'll be starting it all over again. Hopefully I can give away hopefully I can get quicker to where I can give away, you know, as long as you guys are buying tickets, I'm giving the bikes away, or buying stickers. I always say tickets, I mean stickers. As long as you guys are buying stickers, as long as you're buying stickers, hats, cups, t-shirts, koozies, whatever it is, whatever fiddly diddly junk that we have for sale. It's not junk, it's actually quality stuff. If you go read the reviews, we have great reviews. Like I've said before, I've had this hat, it still holds its shape. Honestly, they're just great products. Anyway, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Please go to shovelheadffej.com. Buy your sticker. You know, on mine you get something. At least you get something. For your money, you're getting something. You're actually getting a pretty decent sticker. It's helping. It's going to a great cause, which is to help you guys. I'm no charity. I don't have no charity. I'm not supporting this. I'm not supporting that. I'm having you guys support me, and me support you through these bike giveaways, and make some fiddly diddly videos to halfway entertain you. So anyway, of course, like, share, and subscribe. Shovelheadffej.com. Get your stickers, your koozies, your whatevers, and keep supporting the channel. It's been a great year. Happy Thanksgiving. Next Wednesday, Tuesday, I'm pulling a ticket. I'll contact you. Wednesday, watch the video. You'll see who won it. If you won it, you already know you won it. So anyway, man, peace, shit, and that's it. I'm out. Bye. There he is, right there. Oh, jeez. Most of y'all know, you know, we live on an organic farm. We try to raise most of our food, you know, especially during this time of year, deer hunting. It's turkey season. We got Thanksgiving coming up, and I just called in a good-sized gobbler. Oh, hell yeah. Got him. Got him. Come on. Hell yeah, boys. We're eating Thanksgiving tonight.